Thank you very much, Princess Hannah Lacey Velez, with honors. And to present the candidates for graduation to the school administrator, Mr. Joseph N.
I now confirm you senior high school graduates. For the tertiary graduation candidates, with all the rights and privileges pertaining thereto, congratulations.
Truly, it is an honor and privilege for us to be delighted with that commencement address. At this point, may we request the STI School Administrator, Mr. Joseph N. Luna, together with our distinguished school leaders, to please proceed here in front and present the plaque of appreciation to our guest of honor and speaker. At this part, may we have the citation for the plaque of appreciation to our guest of honor and speaker. Bombio Hans Lester M. Catherine Vince Patrick T. The Culinary Arts, starting with Badhan Jacob Marvin T. Kukili NC2 passer. Luna Jared Dwayne B. Leadership Awardee with honors. Guerra Kimberly I. Outstanding Thesis Performance Awardee. And with this STI College San Pablo, ang pinakamahalagang palakpak ay magmumula sa inyo. This is really is it. Congratulations for this year's school year 2024-2025. And of course, furthermore, we would like to show our appreciation to our dear parents and guardians who have chosen STI San Pablo to be the foundation of their children's education. With this, we will be giving a certificate of loyalty and awards to the following parents and guardians.
Dream boldly, walk humbly, work faithfully. Congratulations, class of 2025. Let us step into the future with our heads held high, our hearts full, and our spirit unshakable. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Graduates, you are now entering a new phase in your lives, ready to face the challenges of the outside world. To induct you to the prestigious STI Alumni Association, may we call on our Assistant Principal. Go forth, make your mark, and build the Philippines we can all be proud of. Mabuhay ang bagong henerasyon ng mga pinuno. Once again, congratulations to the class of 2025. Your journey, Professor Host,